Hi, this is Corey Chambers. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic. Downtown Los Angeles loft rentals. See what you want when you want to see it. If you see any properties that are of interest to you, let us know. We will gladly send you a property information packet on any loft, condo, or house, or private preview is available upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. So this is about getting VIP priority rental showings. Then it comes with a $500 savings guarantee. We're going to save you $500 off of your lease, and also a money back satisfaction guarantee. So to see any property, call, or also for extra customer service, call 213-880-9910 or email CoreyChambers@yahoo.com, CoreyChambers@yahoo.com. This VIP priority rental showings special offer is $25, and you can pay with PayPal or credit card. So to get more information on loft rental tours and apartment tours in downtown Los Angeles, you can fill out this short form right here as well. And we look forward to helping you to look at properties. We just got a call today from a lady who needed some help, and she said it looks like that all that people are offering now is virtual tours, and asked if she could actually get in to see some places. And I assured her yes. We can get you into almost every single place to see the interior, and to get that way you can really get not just a little bit of an idea, but a full idea of including the, what does the place look like, smell like, sound like, and most importantly, what is the vibe, what does it feel like. All right, well, thanks for joining me today about downtown Los Angeles loft, condo, and apartment rentals, and trying to get to see what you want at the day and time of when you want to see it. And in fact, with us, we don't give you just a time where you must show up. When we help you see a place, you tell us the day and time that works for your schedule. All right, so thanks again. As I mentioned earlier, a property information packet is available on any loft, condo, or house, or private preview is available upon request. Call 213-880-9910. I'm Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks again. We'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.